big words!
Hi, I'm going fishing for letters.
Let's catch the first letter. Oops! That's not a letter. Let's try again. Let's get another.
We caught the letter I.
Next. We caught the letter N.
Letter I and letter N makes in. The fish is in the bowl.
Now let's catch another letter.
We caught the letter G.
Next letter.
We caught the letter O.
Geo makes go. The car can go fast.
Swim away.
Back to fishing! We caught the letter O. Now let's catch another letter. We caught the letter N.
O and N is on.
Look at that big whale! Here we go again. One more letter. We caught the letter M. Yes!
We caught the letter Y.
Letter M and letter Y is my murmur.
Keep going.
We caught the letter I.
We caught the letter T.
Letter I and letter T is it.
It runs fast. Look, a bear in a canoe. Let's catch more.
We caught the letter T.
This is letter O. T. And letter O is 2. Going to school.
Hello there.
Hi, Lisa.
Next letter coming.
UP makes up. The balloon goes up.
We caught the letter I. We caught the letter S. Letter I and letter S makes is.
I-S.
The sun is bright.
Look at that big whale.
No, no.
No.
Subscribe for more educational videos.